Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix account that has been disabled in Apple Store. So if you want to fix account that has been disabled by Apple, here is a quick guide on how to get it done, and by the end of the video, if you follow all these steps, your account will be deactivated or enabled. So the first thing you have to do is open up your settings, then tap on your profile ID name, which is your iCloud. So you can see we are now in the Apple ID section. So from here you have to tap on payment and shipping. So what can lead to your account being disabled is if you don't add any payment option or any payment method to your account, be it credit card or debit card. So in this section now, we are going to input. So here you just have to input your password, which is your Apple ID password. If your Face ID is enabled, just log in through your Face ID or your Touch ID. So once you do that, this will actually bring in your account details. Okay, good. Let's sign in. So why this is taking a few minutes to load, we are expecting this to take us to the payment option. So we are going to the payment and shipping. So from there we are going to add a credit card or a debit card to our account. Yes. Alright, so right here you can see in this video, on this particular Apple ID account, there is no payment being added. There is no payment method added to this particular account, which can cause this account to be disabled by Apple. So for you to be able to enable your account to be used in Apple Store, you have to add a payment option or a payment method to your account, so that wherever you install any in-app games or app on your iCloud or on your Apple Store that requires payment, this will actually make the payment. And once the account is being linked to this particular account, it sends a kind of signal, or it sends that this particular account is active because your bank card is being linked to this particular account for any in-app purchases. So if you want to enable your disabled account, just try your possible best, add your credit or your debit card to this particular account, to your account. If you've done that, then go back again. Then you might want to go back to security and password. So just tap in your good. So from here you can change your passcode or try and change a couple of settings just for you to have your account be activated. But the main thing that I can recommend is you change your password, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.